What's up, everyone? It's the Emerald Enthusiast, back with another Green Lantern collectible review. This time, I'll be looking at the DC Direct Blackest Night limited edition bust of Larfleeze. The Avatar of Avarice sits atop the base of this bust, greedily clutching his Orange Lantern personal power battery. The uniform has been painted a glossy, eye-popping orange over top of an anatomically correct, excellently executed musculature. The Orange Lantern Corps symbol is sculpted into the base. The shoulder symbols are sculpted as well. The individual hairs on the head have been sculpted with precision for a layer of realism. The pose is perfect for the character, as are the lanky muscles in the arms. Larfleeze stares at the universe disapprovingly, fearing that everyone covets his most prized possession. This bust is numbered out of only 3,500 pieces, and it's one of the few Larfleeze collectibles that has ever been produced. Due to its scarcity, it rarely sells for less than $150. I only have one minor criticism of this bust, and that is that the ring is somewhat difficult to see due to the hand positioning. However, given how perfect this pose is, it seems like an acceptable sacrifice. Despite the price, this bust is a gorgeous piece that should be a welcomed addition to any Green Lantern collection. If you enjoyed this video, please check out the rest of my Green Lantern content, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll be back with more Green Lantern content soon. But until we meet again, this has been the Emerald Enthusiast, and thanks for watching!